Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ram 1500 tire, updated. Start by finding a safe, level spot and set the parking brake, then place wheel chocks behind the opposite wheels. Gather a jack rated for your truck, a lug wrench, and a spare tire that matches your wheel size. Keep a flashlight and gloves handy. Double-check the jack point under the frame before lifting to avoid damage or instability. Begin with the vehicle still grounded and use a lug wrench to break the lug nuts loose 1/2 turn each, working in a star pattern. This reduces the chance of a stuck wheel and makes removal easier once the truck is lifted. If a nut resists, apply penetrating spray and let it soak briefly, then try again with a steady, controlled force. Avoid sudden jerks that could damage the studs. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability on long jobs or roadside waits. I use them when working under my truck, and they make a real difference. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the jack under the designated jack point and raise the truck until the flat tire clears the ground by a few inches. Remove the lug nuts in a star pattern and take the wheel off, then mount the spare aligning holes carefully. Hand thread lug nuts to avoid cross-threading, lower the truck enough to seat the wheel, and then tighten the nuts in the same star pattern to the manufacturer recommended torque using a torque wrench.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.